Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting some different requests to do some more Roblox Piggy characters, so I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw the new Mechagodzilla as a Roblox Piggy character. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Roblox Piggy Mechagodzilla, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right up here, and we just want to make a line that's going to come across, because we're going to give him like a square head instead of the normal rounded one. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down on each side. Then we're going to make a line that comes across here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to go over and down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over, down, and then back over here. Do the same thing here. We're going to go over, down, and then back over here. Then we're just going to make a line that comes across here for the mouth. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a circle for one eye. Then over here, I'm going to make a circle for another eye. Right above here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up at an angle, and same thing over here. And then I'm going to draw a line straight across on each side, underneath them. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, over and up. And I'll put a little line that goes up, over, and then down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. I'm going to make a line that comes over to connect them. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes out at a diagonal on each side. We're going to draw a line that comes in. And then we're just going to come right back up. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and up. And same thing here, down, over, and up. We'll make this line come down a little farther. Right here, I'm going to add kind of like a little half circle smiley face shape at the end. I want to make a line that goes out, down, and in. We're going to do the same thing, out, down, and in. The same thing here, out, down, in, out, down, and in. Then we're going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. Down, over, up. Down, over, up. Down, over, and up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, over, and we'll bring this line down too. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes out at an angle on each side. We're going to come down a little bit on each one, and then connect. We'll make a line that comes down on each corner, and we'll make a line that comes across. I'll make a little square shape or rectangle shape right at the bottom of the legs. And right here, I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. Little line down and then over, down and then over, down and over, down and then over. A little line that goes over and down, over and down. Make a little line that comes up through the middle part of the leg. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines that come across here. We're just kind of filling in some of the different details. Make a little kind of circular shape for the knees. And we'll make a little line that comes down on each side. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down. We're going to go over and then up. And we're going to make a line that comes across. And we're going to make a line that comes down on each side at an angle. And we're just going to go all the way to the edge here. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side. And we're going to make the line that goes down, over, and up. I'm going to make a little rectangle shape right in here. Up here, we're going to make a line that goes up and over, up and over. I'm going to put a couple little, like, kind of half circle shapes in there. Right up here, we're going to go up and then over like this, up and then over like that. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down. Then I'm going to curve this back to here. I'm going to jump over to here. Make a little line that comes down. A little line that goes out, down, and then in. Right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line. Now at the bottom of here, we're just going to add a few little lines coming along here for some different little details. And then right along here, I'm going to make lines that goes up, over, and down, up, over, and down. I'm going to do this just to add some little spikes onto here. I'm going to add a couple more over here too, just to show some detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Roblox Piggy Mechagodzilla 2021. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.